No, this is the pretty, yeah, it's not pretty hard step, but you have to focus inside the head. This is the head. Inside the head, we have two layers, so you have to put it out like this, and put it out like this. You see? After you put it out, get it into the shape of the head. You see? Okay, I'll make it again by, for example, yes, our head will be like this, right? But we will have the shape like this, because the head will look at the sky. So now we open this out. This is the crease we found it, and then we will put out the two layers, and we put out the two layers like this. You see? Yeah. Then we have the shape of the head like this. You see, it's bigger than the original head, right? And now, if you have to look at, you just make it look into the sky by stretching it right like this. Okay, now we will make the mouth by, yeah, open it, and we do the cream font like this. Yeah, we'll do like this. Now take a look at this. Yeah, we make it lie here, and then we make a line here, then we make like this. Okay, make like this. Yeah, and then you see this one, we found it. Oh, we have the valley. We have the mountain fall here, mountain fall over here. Yes, mountain fall on the two sides of the head. Yeah, back in the head. Okay, now you have the head of the bird. Now you have the head of the bird. See, this is the mouth, and this is the head of the bird. Now we'll try. Yes, to put this out. Make a valley. Make a mountain fall. Sorry. Okay, now we make a fat mountain fold. Yeah. This one. Yeah. We need to do like this. See? Make a mountain fall. Yes. And then we put this into this. Yes, then we put this into this. Yeah, it's pretty hard to put it in, but just try. Okay, yes, put it in. You see? Yeah, now we have is not really wide when you have the green foams on the wings. Now we have to do is from this point, see, from this point to this point. Yeah, we make a mountain fold. See? Yes. And from this point to this point, we make another mountain fold. Alright. Yeah, and from this we will do the cream font. For example, you will make this line, and then this line is a valley. Okay, yeah, until the last. And then we do like this. Now you have the valley font, a very little. See, a valley font, and the wing like this. Yeah, the second one. We start with the valley font until the end of the wing. To the end of the wing. Okay. Yes. Yeah, we spend a little space at the highest point of the wing, so we can make it curved. Yeah, the wing will look better when it curves. And you see? Is it okay? Yeah. Now, from this point to this point, we also do the green foam, but this is out, up, and this is we just do it down. Yeah, like this. Like this. Just keep all the creases beginning with the same points. It will make the grains or the burst looks better. See? Yes. One more pleat. Okay. Yeah. Now we have it into two direction. One like this and one like this. See? Okay. Yeah, do the same thing with another side of the wing. One like this. And one like this. Okay. Now we'll make it fold it as quickly as possible. Yeah. We have to spend a little space for the curving. See? Yes. And at this point we do the same thing. Do the same thing. Yes. Do the same thing for the moving. Okay. Now you see we have two direction of the wings. Yeah, the creases is two direction. Let's make a triangle, right? Now we would hold like this. We hold the main point of the wing like this. Okay, and then we stretch the wing. We stretch the wing out. Like this. Let's stretch the wing out. Is it okay? How does it look? Yeah. Okay, now we do the tail. With the tail, we have to make it like just like this. Yeah, at the point here, now you can see at the point here and the point here. Yeah, we do the reverse fold. Yeah, from this line to this line, we do the reverse fold. Okay, the reverse fold. Now, you opened it. Keep these two layers, stick into this. Okay, stick into this. And pull these things up. You see, it's not flat anymore. Yeah, it's not flat anymore. This is just the shaping step. So when you fold the creases for the tail, it will make it more beautiful. You see? Now turn it into the normal shape, right, like this. Now, okay, all we have to do is just do the reverse fold, up and down. Yeah, opened it, draw the line for it, draw the line, draw the line, draw the line. Okay, into the end. Of course, we should give a little bit space for the end of the tail. Now we have to do. Yeah, we do the mountain. We do the reverse fold for each crease. Okay, this is the first mountain fold. Now you see, this is the first mountain fold, and then you hold at this point. Okay, another mountain fold, please. Another mountain fold. Yeah. Right, and you hold that point also. You hold at that point also, and you make another mountain fold. Okay, mountain fold again. See, like this, mountain fold. And okay, the last step, mountain fold. Yeah, the tail should be like this. It should look into the sky like this. Okay, one more. So at this time you have to do the fold to shapen the tail, to make the tail smaller. Yeah, do like me. You can see this one. You see this line I've just drawn. Okay, now you fold that line and make this layer down like this. See, let me do it again. We draw the line from this point to this point, and then we will make the mountain fold like this, and it pulls out. This one, you have to swash it like this. Do the same on the other side to make sure that it is the same size, same place. Yes. Okay, yeah, we finished the tail. Okay, now you just pull out the tail. What do you see? What do you think? Yeah, we pull out the tail, alright? Yeah, remember this? Put it out. Put it out. Yes, put it out. And this one. This one. You see? After that, you have to fold the crease again, just to make sure that you sharpen it on the top layer. See, on the top layer. Yes, that's right. On the top layer. Yes. Okay. We have already done the haven bird. the Haven bird. I just do some change on the original grain. You see how it looks. If you want it to stand, you just stretch out the bottom of this. Okay, now it can stand. Yeah. Thank you for watching, Wendy. Happy folding.